So, good morning, student. My name is Mahendra Saini, faculty from Civil Engineering Department, and I would like to teach you today important subject Water Resources Engineering, and we will discuss about the topic of Introduction to Dam Engineering, the relative advantage and disadvantage of gravity dams over earth dams. Okay. So first advantage is gravity dam over earth dam. Gravity dams are quite strong, as we earlier studied that gravity dams are quite strong, stable and durable. Gravity dams are quite suitable across moderately wide valley and gorges having steep slopes, where earth dams, if constructed, might slip. As stability point of view, we can see here these are more durable, more suitable for every structure or every structure of earth or nearest area. Okay. Third one is gravity dams can be constructed to be very great height, provide good rock foundations are available. So it is an advantage that it can be constructed at a greater height. But restrictions are there if we provide a rock foundation in the gravity dam. Next one is gravity dams are well adapted for use of an overflow spillway section. Earth dam cannot be used as an overflow section. Okay. So this is the advantage. Another advantage of this particular gravity dam. Gravity dams are especially suited to such areas where there is very heavy downpour. The slopes of the earth dams might be washed away in such an area. So, because this is a gravity dam and the construction is totally depend on the concrete. So, when heavy downpour is present, then it is suitable for this type of structure. Okay. Fifth one is gravity dams are especially suited for such areas we already discussed. Next one is the maintenance cost of gravity dam is very low. So these are cheaper, or we can say economical section. The gravity dam does not fail suddenly. Okay, means it provides a time of rescue. There is enough warning to imminent failure, and the valuable property and human life can be saved to some extent. So factor of safety is there. Okay. Gravity dams can be constructed during all types of climatic condition. So these are the suitable for all type of structure, all type of valley. In worst condition, we can construct this type of dams. Okay. Next one is gravity dam. The sedimentation in the reservoir on the upstream of a gravity dam can be somewhat reduced by operation of deep set sluice. Okay. Sluice, you are very well known about this. Sluice is another path of taking water from reservoir to the another drainage. So okay, it can be reduced by sedimentation process. Okay. There are some disadvantages also. So gravity dams of greater height can be constructed only on sound rock foundation. Okay. Next one is the initial cost of gravity dam is usually more. Okay. At the site where good earth is available for construction, and fund are limited, earth dams are better. Initial cost is very high, so it is not adopted where the economic problem occurs in initiation. Okay. Gravity dams usually take a longer time in construction than earth dam because a higher height or very great height require especially, so that's why we need to be construct a sound dam. So the time of setting should be more, so it can be constructed for longer period. Batching and proper mixing and transporting is also matter here, or it requires more skilled labor than earth dam. Okay, so this is all about advantage and disadvantage of gravity dam over earth dam. Thank you.